Welcome everyone watching this video. This is Rajनीsh from Rogini College of Engineering and Technology. Today I would like to focus on lubricants. In all type of machines, the moving surfaces rub against each other. Due to this rubbing, resistance is offered to their movement. The resistance is known as friction. This friction will cause lot of wear and tear of surfaces of moving parts. Due to the friction, large amount of energy is dissipated in the form of heat. Thereby, the efficiency of machine get reduced. Definitions: lubricant is a substance used in between two moving surfaces to reduce the friction. Lubrication: it is a process of reducing friction and wear between two moving surfaces by adding lubricant in between them. Function of a lubricant: it prevents the direct contact between the moving surfaces and reduce wear, tear and surface deformation of the concentrated parts. It reduces wastage of energy so that efficiency of the engine is enhanced. It reduces the frictional heat and thus prevents the expansion of metals. It acts as a coolant by removing the frictional heat generated due to the rubbing of surfaces. Or sometimes it acts as a seal, preventing the entry of dust and leakage of gases at high pressure. It reduces the maintenance and running cost of the machine. It minimizes corrosion. The requirements are: a good lubricant should not undergo any decomposition, oxidation, reduction and high temperature. A good lubricant should have high flash and fire points than the operating temperature. A good lubricant should have high oiliness, viscosity index, aniline point. A good lubricant should not corrode the machine parts. Classification of lubricants. There are 4 classifications: liquid lubricants, semi-solid lubricants, solid lubricants and emulsions. The mechanism of lubricants: there are 3 categories: fluid film, boundary lubrication and extreme pressure lubrication. The properties of lubricants: viscosity. Viscosity is a measure of internal resistance of a liquid during its flow. It is expressed in centipares. The viscosity of oil is the time in seconds for a given quantity of oil to pass through a standard orifice under the specified conditions. Significance: a good lubricant oil must have moderate viscosity. If the viscosity of the lubricating oil is too high, movement of machine is restricted due to excessive friction. If the viscosity of the lubricating oil is too low, the liquid oil film cannot be maintained and excessive wear will take place. Flash point and fire point. Flash point: it is the lowest temperature at which the oil goes off enough vapor that ignite for a moment, when a small flame is brought near to it. Fire point: it is the lowest temperature at which the vapor of the oil burns continuously for at least 5 seconds, when a small flame is brought near it. Generally, the fire point is 5 to 40 degrees Celsius higher than the plus point. Significance: a good lubricating oil should have flash and fire points higher than the operating temperature of the machine. A knowledge of flash and fire point is useful in preventing protection against fire hazard during transport and storage. Lubricating oil of paraffinic base possess high flash points than those of naphthalic base. Hence, the determination of flash and fire point is helpful in identifying the type of lubricating oil. Cloud and pour point. Cloud point: when oil is cooled slowly, the temperature at which the oil becomes cloudy in appearance is called its cloud point. Pour point: the temperature at which the oil ceases to flow or pour is called its pour point. Significance: most of the petroleum-based lubricating oils containing dissolved paraffin wax and phthalic impurities When the oil is cooled, these impurities undergo solidification, which cause jamming of the machine. So that cloud and pour points indicate the suitability of the lubricants in cold condition. A good lubricant must have low cloud point and pour point. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Thank you.